All hail Biafra. This is Weapon of Justice. We have come again this morning. Of course, our program is every Tuesday morning. But now, I just come on air. My co-host is not here. Is not here now. Chukwudi Nwosu Machineke is not here. So here with me. He normally join me on the phone, but he's not here. So because this is not our normal time. This program just come. I just decided to do this program now because I couldn't sleep. I can't sleep in the night. So I keep thinking about what is bothering me about Biafra restoration, most especially about our tradition, our ancient tradition, the way we abandon the things we're supposed to do and join European religion. And that European religion have destroyed our way of life. And the worst part of it is that if you see some men in Biafra land, they are still seeing the European deception as a good thing, So that is why we are here now, to dismantle all the lies they laid against our ancestors. But the problem I have is not with churchgoers. No, the very big problem. The problem I have is about these people, the Christian leaders. They are the main problem we are facing, because they know this truth, but they don't want our people to understand them. They don't want our people to know this truth, and our people are dying in ignorance. You see those Reverend Fathers in the Monso, I think Emmanuel Obima, Mbaka, they are fake. They are fake, all of them. Pastors, Yoruba pastors, they are complete fake. Yoruba pastors are the worst. You see today, at the yesterday, they had they pray for Nigeria. I keep thinking about that. How can a sensible human being pray for Nigeria to be okay? That is what is bothering me. How can sensible human being pray for Nigeria? Is it not clear to you, Biafrans? Is it not very clear for you now, in your eyes now, that Christianity is fraud? Those people that organize this crusade now, prayer about Nigeria, I saw it on Niger.com. Are you telling me that these people don't know that Nigeria is not working? Are you telling me that these people don't see the cry of IPOB? Are you telling me that these people don't know that the Nigerian government have killed Biafran enough? Are you telling me that these people, Christian leaders, bishop, pastors, reverend fathers, those people don't have any human feeling at all? Or what? They don't have conscience at all. Our people are dying, and these people are praying. These people are praying for one Nigeria, are praying for Nigeria to be okay. How can human being pray for Nigeria to be fine? I'm talking to you, Biafrans, all of you Biafrans that still go to church. You're the one I'm talking to. Are you telling me that you will see these people that are praying for one Nigeria? He called them human being. He called them the man of God. They are praying for one Nigeria. They see how Biafrans have been crying. They see how Nigeria have been killing Biafrans. They see that what is going on in Biafra, in the zoo now, his nemesis. Evil they did against Biafra is coming back to them. They can never organize. They can never agree. You see, Ohaneze Ndi Igbo now, they went to I think the zoo ejected the restructuring. Nigeria cabals, Hausa Fulani and the Yorubas rejected restructuring. I heard that Nnaemwodo, Ohaneze president, they disgraced him there. Our leader told them, I was praying with the Mazin and can told them that if you serve the zoo, you must come back in shame. That is what is happening to them now. They serve the zoo, they are coming back in shame. But the problem they have is this: they know what is coming. They know that Biafra coming is a kingdom of heaven coming down here on earth, where everybody will live pure life, not this kind of life they are living in the zoo. They know that. That is why sometimes people train us saying that Igbo don't love themselves. Igbo don't love themselves. What kind of language is that? This is what they used to divide us. We actually love ourselves. But one thing is there. The reason why they are saying that is this. They are using it to divide us. If you are working in office in the zoo and you go into that office, maybe they have Hausa man there, Fulani man there, Hausa man there, Hausa Fulani man there, Yoruba there, and maybe Igbo. If you go to that office to visit an Igbo person, they are three in the office: Hausa Fulani, Yoruba, and Igbo. If you go there to visit your brother, if you speak your language to that your brother, look at the Hausa man face, his face will change. Look at the Yoruba man face, his face will change immediately. Because they don't want us to unite. You see, they want to divide us all the time. They always give us that thing that if immediately you people speak together now, and you know that you are planning it, or maybe you know the truth about this Nigeria, they will give you a sign that for you to remember that this country belongs to them. They conquer you. So our people go to serve them. Those politicians, they are serving them to hurt their own people. That is something they plan it properly. They say that we don't love ourselves. They are saying it is clear. I know why they are saying it. They plan it. They are giving you sign that you are a conquered people. That here belongs to Hausa Fulani and Yoruba, the zoo, Nigeria. So that is the reason why every time they say we are not united, because they know they always use our people to hurt our people. Obasanjo is the one doing the game. Obasanjo is the highest one that is using it. Obasanjo is the leader of Ohaneze Ndi Igbo. Is their leader. People just see them as Obasanjo is their leader. He's the one that gives the instruction what to do. Of course, when you get the information from British people and Hausa Fulani, they have meeting. Obasanjo is the good one to do the job. They are loyal to Obasanjo under, but you won't know. That is why our own problem is Yoruba. Our leader said the other day that his Femi Kayode is his friend, or maybe the way he said it. Femi Kayode is not your friend, our leader. Fayose is not your friend, our leader. In our history, Yoruba people have betrayed us many times. We can never give them trust again. As a nation, we cannot give Yoruba people trust again. Onye ya na ekwensu na-erikọ nri na-eji ogologo ngazi. If Femi Kayode is honest man, let him stand for good one nation and demand for that, and go out and evangelize the way our leader go to different countries. Our leader travel many countries to visit Biafrans, to convert the whole Biafra, unite us together to this level. He travel every time he's on the air, traveling. Why can't Femi Kayode travel like that and meet those top Yoruba people and discuss this issue for them to start from good work? Why? Show you that Yoruba people are parasites. What they are doing is this. If they see you coming up, if they see Biafra coming up to demand for Biafra, they will monitor you. They will support House of Fulani to pull you down. If they try to pull you down under, if they never succeed, they see you that you keep rising up. If they notice that you're winning, they will come close to you. They are not original. No matter how you bad people pretend, they are not. If Femi Kayode can answer my question, you claim you love Biafrans, you support Biafrans, and you have been in power in the zoo. What have you done to Biafrans? Then not only that, if you are a Biafra, if you believe, because your wife is a Biafra, yes, maybe you are doing it for your children, yes, but the best way to do it, Femi, because you're Yoruba, I don't trust you. The best way to do it is this: demand for good one nation and stand for that. Minus that, I will not trust you. You're not helping us. We don't need your help. You will not give us Biafra. Nobody can give us Biafra. We will take Biafra by ourselves. Nobody can give us Biafra. We will take Biafra by ourselves. I have 100% sure, guarantee that Biafra will not come by anybody. That we will take Biafra by ourselves. Biafra will not come to Radio Biafra London. Biafra will not come to Radio Biafra South Africa. Radio Biafra in America, and that one is even more better, because they don't speak too much Jesus, Yeshua there, no. But you see Radio Biafra London, where everything, which for our deputy leader, if your deputy leader want to pray, listen to him. Almighty God, Chukwu Abiyama. What is God? God means nothing. God means the reason why these Europeans, British people refer the Most High, refer to the Most High, Chukwu Abiyama, like God, is because of wealth. God is like wealth for them. Gold is gold they are talking about. Gold. That is the God they are talking about. The Rushemefo is calling the same gold there, saying it's the God. God Almighty is not God, nothing like God. Chukwu Abiyama will worship. We don't worship Yeshua. We don't worship Jesus. God is gold. Gold. Monitor the people that give you this Bible. They always, they just accumulating wealth. Show you that the God they give you, they are talking about gold. Wealth. That is what they believe is God. But we are spiritual people. We know the Most High, Chukwu Okike Abiyama. Chukwu means the Most High. Okike means creator. Abiyama means conquerors. Then you know who he is. How can you conquer? You have to be very, very honest person. You have to be honest in a way that in anything you do, in the way you live your life, not hypocrisy. That is the way, that is the only way to know the Chukwu Abiyama we are talking about. Chukwu Abiyama we are talking about. That is the Abiyama. Abiyama we are talking about is that when you stop doing anything rubbish, stop telling lies, believe in the truth only, Then he have come close. Then you know the Chukwu Abiyamo we are talking about. That is the Chukwu Abiyamo. Then the reason why I say that Radio Biafra London cannot get Biafra. Here, in Weapon of Justice, this is where we get Biafra. Believe it or not, I don't care. Here in Weapon of Justice, this is where we get Biafra. This is Weapon of Justice. Radio Biafra South Africa cannot get Biafra. They are talking about Shabbat. That is not the way to get Biafra. If I'm saying it, go and mark it down that me, Onyechukwu Ezoska, have said it on this platform, Weapon of Justice. That here we will get Biafra here, not in Radio Biafra. Not in Radio Biafra London, not in Radio Biafra South Africa. Because they keep calling Jesus, Yahweh Yeshua, and God. Here on this platform, I will open the line very soon. If anybody that want to call to challenge me on this, we can call. I will open the line very soon. This here. Oh, let me put this. I have to put the number here. Very soon, I will put the number. Anyway, this is number to call anyway. You can call me on WhatsApp. You can call me on WhatsApp too. So we discuss, because what we are saying now is that Radio Biafra, oh fucking no, I'm here. Radio Biafra London cannot get Biafra. Radio Biafra South Africa cannot get Biafra. Weapon of Justice will get Biafra. Go and mark it down. Weapon of Justice will get Biafra. This platform, this is where Biafra will come. Go and mark it down. Because unless Radio Biafra change from what they are doing, or you can call me on WhatsApp, unless they change the way 8733 years. Unless my name is Onyechukwu Ezoska. I'm from already in Agwata, Anambra, Biafra. I live here in Leeds, United Kingdom. Machineke Gambo. N'eziokwu Machineke Gambo. Akamodocha. Akwụgbara m aka m ọtọ. Eziokwu ka nji egwu mmiri. Ana m aghọgbu mmadụ, onye aghọgbu m. Ana m atụrụ mmadụ asị, onye atụrụ m asị. Mụ na emekọ ihe. Jiri eziokwu soro m. M na-ejikwa eziokwu soro m. Biafra ka anyị na-achọ. Ihe ọ bụla anyị ji eme Biafra ọsọ eziokwu. Asị dị ya, anọghị m ya. And the more ha gbara mmadụ ọsọ na restoration of Biafra, nke a ihe ikpeazụ m. Because Biafra won't. Biafra is my life. Biafra is anything I have. Biafra is the only hope I have in this world. The reason why I'm here in this world is because of Biafra. And I'm here to make sure the kingdom of the Most High Chukwu Abiyamo come down here. Nothing can stop it. Nothing can stop it. We are truthful. We are honest people. We are humble people. We love our people with all our hearts. We can do anything to defend this freedom, to make sure that Biafra comes. We can, even if that thing take our life, so be it. Life and Biafra. Biafra is more important than life. Yes. Because Biafrans, we don't die. Biafrans don't die. When you die, you're coming back again in this Biafra land. You're coming back. So I'm not afraid of death, because I know that even if I die now, I will still come back.